Imagine an experience where you get a package of free food, education, and traveling. I, for one, have been to three of my dream destinations, which are Table Mountain and Drakensberg Mountain in South Africa, and the Victoria Falls in Zimbabwe. The Habitable Planet workshop provides you with an opportunity to such an amazing adventure. You also get to meet new people in the academic and professional field, and this can help you to shape your own research and career path. Besides the workshop, the program has other activities in which you can take part. This can help to shape your own CV and make you an outstanding and unique candidate to your future employer. Personal development is also one of the key advantages of attending this workshop. Any university or college student or graduate can apply for this workshop, and the selection process does not discriminate your race, your country of origin, or your academic field. Remember, it's completely free. It's fun, there is food, and you can make friends. Do not miss out and apply for this winter's Habitable Planet workshop. This is Rudo Donga from the University of Zimbabwe. Let's apply in numbers. Do not miss out.